Okay, today I'm going to show you how to finish edge of a plywood piece. So in the field, this is basically double stick tape from Fast Cap. It's called speed tape. It's really strong, works really well. So I'm going to press it on at first and then follow it up with a J-roll. It's pressure sensitive. Peel it up with a knife. Now I'll get my regular oak edge band and stick it on, and then we edge roll that. And then up next will be the quad trimmer, so it'll trim the edge flush. So you can see me doing that. A little bit of sanding and a nice clean finished edge, and that's how it's done.
Hey guys, came up with this jig a couple years ago to make sure that I could do door casings and windows with no measuring tape. This is very efficient. I just simply mark 3/16 back on 2 scraps of wood and then just nail this piece in here, and that gives me my reveal. I leave this size long, then when I come on this corner I mark this one and that one. After you mark corners, mark it down a few times. Casing comes in 7-foot lengths. Now I mark my height. After I mark it on the line, I go and cut it. After I nail them, I put the other piece upside down and mark it on the edge. And when you cut it, make sure you cut the line off. Put a little bit of glue and nail it, and it's perfect. I hope this helps.
Check this out. Just built this. Just a piece of plywood, 3/4 inches. Got all my carpet squares in one place, and it took me all 5 minutes to cut out and screw in. Check that out.
Stop winding it up like this. Don't do it. It's awful for the cord. Instead, wrap your cord like this. Right hand,
This is the nail end.
left hand, loop. Left hand, loop inside. Left hand, loop. Flip it over, loop inside. Loop. Sorry. And that's how you properly wind up your extension cord without ruining it.
So I posted a video about these blades that you can buy on Amazon for about $1 a piece. You buy about 60. And to everyone that's saying that these blades suck, they're freaking great.
Before renovating our home, my husband and I sat down to make a list of everything that we wanted to include. We've built a custom home before, and there were so many things that we missed. We wanted to make sure that whatever we added was functional, that would help us keep our home clean and organized. Instead of keeping our hairstyling appliances on the counter, we added outlets behind the designated drawer, so every time we use them, it forces us to put them back in the drawer instead of leaving the clutter on the counter.